here at Lexington Highway, US Highway 78. I wanted y'all to see the updated construction. See how they're coming along. Hey, look, that entrance is open over there now. That's interesting. We'll have to take that entrance today. Let y'all see that. I was wondering when it was going to be open, and now it's open. That's going to help this intersection tremendously. Of course, look at all the traffic. It is 9:53. Yes, sir. I was wondering about that. Wouldn't open the other day. I guess they just have opened it. It's 73 degrees in Athens, Georgia. We're going to turn right here. Tell you what, we could. Let's turn it off for right now. We'll figure out what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to go up, make a U-turn somewhere right up here, and then come back down. That way you can see this whole intersection, except coming from Athens. We're going to go up here somewhere, do a U-turn. We're going to come down and get on the loop. Then we'll get back off. Well, yeah, then we can get back off, come down and come around, and that way you can see the whole intersection. So we'll do that here. We're going to go up here and turn around and get the sun out of our eyes. Okay, we're going to make a turnaround in these apartments here. They've been open for a while. Atlas Athens, I don't know how long, but they've been open for a while. But like I say, Athens, the apartments that are going in, I don't know where all these people are coming from. We're not going to go all the way through this. We're just going to do a loop around, because the main thing right now is I wanted to show y'all that intersection and that ramp that is now open. Okay, we get everybody out from behind us. We don't need to back into anybody. Okay, we're going to turn it off and then turn it back on as we're coming down the hill to that intersection. We'll get on, we'll go up, get off, come back, get off again. That way you can see the intersection from maybe 1, 2, 3, all 4 angles. Okay, construction starts right in here. I don't know what all they're going to be doing, if anything, through here. We're coming down the hill. You've seen the intersection getting off from the loop. Coming from the east side. Now we're coming down from the, or this is from the south side. This will be coming down from the east side. This is US 78. We're headed west into Athens. Okay, new ramp is opened. It must have just opened it last day or two. It wasn't open a couple of days ago when I came. You see, you used to have to come in down here and turn left to get on the ramp. Now we can go right. This is going to help this intersection tremendously. We come up and cross under, or go under the trail. Firefly Trail. I think this is the Firefly Trail anyway. I'm pretty sure it is. Here you go, folks. And we'll get off at the first exit, come back and get off again. That way, and it loops around, so that way you'll get to see it from, and go back through that intersection. That way you'll get to see that intersection from all 4 directions. And it's still not going to be great, but it's going to be a heck of a lot better than it has been all through the years. I've got one video to post on the 98ZJ, but that may be all the videos we post for a while on that. I may have one this afternoon. got video, but we may not have posted it. We're not posting a whole lot of our stuff. Okay, what are we doing here? That's a loop there too to get off. Okay. We should have went down one more and let you see that loop. Yeah, getting off up here, it loops around, but it's still not going to be a good situation there because you still got a lot of congestion right there. Like I said, this is going to be a vast improvement, but it's still not going to be. It's not going to be the panacea of repairs. I hear beeping. What's this beeping going on? So I have so many gadgets and gizmos. They beep, chirp, make all kind of racket. Half the time I don't know which one's which. Okay, we'll get off up here, go back through that intersection, then we'll do what we were going to do. Go to the Publix, check it out to buy one, get one free. That's about the only thing I can ever buy at Publix. They're so expensive. I just do the buy one, get one free. I said we proclaimed it autumn. I said autumn comes in Sunday, September 22nd at 8:05 or something like that. I guess that's AM. It didn't say AM or PM, so I'm assuming it's AM. I'll check that further, and on our next video I'll mention that. But there are a lot of cattails there. Those are little scrawny cattails. Look at them, man. We have a few nice cattails. We're going to try to find us a masculine autumn arrangement, not some kind of flower bouquet, but a autumn arrangement. Briars, brimbles, thistle, weeds, grasses. Okay, now so y'all can see this whole intersection. When they get it finished, they'll have all these lanes. We'll be on the other side right over there. But this will let y'all see this intersection from 1, 2, 3, all 4 directions. Let's go ahead and turn it off. It's a 706 number. Wonder who it is. We just turned it off. We'll keep recording. I heard another beep, whatever's beeping. I get so much spam. I'm sick of it. Okay, we're going to turn right on Barnett Shoals. We'll go up. We'll record and go up to Gaines School and cut it off. That way y'all can see this area right through here and cut it off. This shopping center where the Publix is are making good progress on the new Kroger, and we did get a little picture of that the other day on our road trip video we left out showing it. And one of the river trails comes out right here. See, there it is over there on the right. We did a bike ride to it a month or so ago. I think we posted that bike ride. Athens, like everywhere in Georgia, is growing like crazy. Huge apartment complexes, townhouses, mixed use. You'll have rental, you have single property, single family ownership, whatever you want to call it. Fee simple, whatever. I'm Interstates is going to a 15-minute system set up. Even if it's not official, we're working towards communities that you can live, work, and play in all within 15, 20 minutes, maybe 30 at the most. I hadn't seen that. Some more construction. We're just about up at the top of the hill. This cuts over to College Station if you turn right here. What y'all doing there? Knock, knock. There's a sign. I bet it's single-family residential. Cloverleaf Construction, but that's all it said. Okay, let's turn in here. We'll go ahead and turn it off. It'll be a wrap.